Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking about him being deceived. He said that he has been deceived in the past. He's referring to the situation with Pommy and Misty. Uh, he's basically saying, that he was deceived by her allegedly. So that's what he's talking about. And other things, he's saying that basically that he's not afraid of anyone, so he will come out and talk, and he's not gonna let anyone stop him from speaking. But he believes him. He's gonna keep on talking about it. He's also mentioned a few names that he's blocked. Um, He's saying that he's blocked these people from, being in association with him because he has given people too much leeways and he's given them access to him and he has cut that access from him now. So guys, go ahead, go catch the videos to hear what Dwayne has to say and why he's saying all of this. So go ahead and catch it. And for all my lovelies that are out there today celebrating their beautiful, beautiful birthdays, I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity. And to all my lovely supporters that are following me from near, far, wide, and close, I thank you so much and have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. And remember to always smile. Keep a smile on your face, put a smile on somebody else's face if you can, and keep love alive. Also, remember, guys, subscribe to my channel, to like, to share, and also to comment. Have yourselves a beautiful day now.
The only queen, the only queen I know is the woman who push with her crutches. On the hear me good? The only queen I know and recognize, I don't want to push with her crutches. On the hear me good? On the understand? That is the only queen. The only queen I accept and recognize. Who's any of you? Who's Donna? Oh, a deceitful lady? Yes, very, very deceitful too. Very deceitful. Very deceitful. So next time I'm not coming. Next time I'm not coming, planks. Next time any of you's coming, I'm not come good too. Rosemary, I blocked you on my other phone too. I don't want no association, no affiliation with you. You know my problem was? I gave a lot of you way too much easy access to me. Darling, me delete everything. I never just delete it. All of my damn phone. I don't want to hear nothing you say, nothing. A long time me I watch Rose me a long time me I watch him. So watch ya. Girl, bye. I don't know you. I don't want to know you. You're not my mother. Go on. But you can't call me down. Go call them on a mama, on a papa, and on a pick them. And while Uni's at it, go and ask Donna why did she deceive us, including myself. Go and ask Donna why did she deceive us, including myself. Go away. Go away from Bortia. Me a chat. When don't want to talk, me with chat coming up with a no girl I wanna back up. Look at me, I idiot. I'm afraid I wanna move. Oh, Danny, if you got prison, I don't care. Danny, if you got prison, I'm gonna take you back. Danny, if you got prison, I'm gonna take you back. If you got prison, if you got workers. And this time, as I lift mine to the good Lord above, this time, Donegal, Father God, see, I know my heart. This time, I'm gonna backtrack, I'm gonna backpedal, I'm gonna take you back. If you got prison, if you got prison, Donegal, as under God I love, under God who make me sit down and say right now, you have to got prison, I'm gonna take you back. All I can do is just don't watch me, unfollow me, Our classmate, I'm a class on the back. I just need that. One of three options. One of three options. Oh, on can't earn me. On can't harm me. That is one thing I'm sure. On can't harm me. Right? So on have three options. Class me and follow me. Class me and follow me. Or the one in myself while. Yes. That's the only three options I have. I'm gonna lift up from about here. Oh, I'm a class in the back. Right. I am done. I am done backing them. I'm not back down from no girl. I'm not back down from no thieving girl. My mother, my mom, do not watch I'm begging my mom, do not watch my lives because mom, I am upset. And I don't want you to see me get out of character. Do not watch me. I'm begging you. Don't watch my lives. You may hear me act out of pocket, and I don't want you to hear me behave the way I'm behaving. You understand, Mom? Don't watch me. Please don't watch. I don't know. Mom, I beg you. Don't watch. I'll face all of you by myself. I don't need no team. I don't need no army. Me alone, I tied up on this. I'm standing firm. For a believer, me I tied up strong too. For what I believe in. I'm now back down. Donegal has deceived me and a lot of you. The difference between me and Uno, me, not afraid of nobody. Someone will chat. You understand? Chicago, I said fridge. I am the real fridge boat here. Alright, now I'm tired out. Me I tired right now. Me I tired out right now. Now leave me alone. And that's if I'm back up. What I'm told. I'm told. I want to be afraid I wanna look like I eat that tune on the move. One woman I'm mad old. That girl cannot mad me. That girl never push me to her pum for she mad me. That is the first thing the first thing only need to know. That girl did not push me to her pum for her to mad me. That girl don't mean nothing to me. When I say nothing, I mean not one blood clot. Oh no. Oh no. That girl figure prison. Donna Marie go figure prison. I'm gonna take you back. What are you gonna beat me? Is Una gonna beat me? For me just say? Una gonna cuss me? Cuss away, cause that's all you can do. Or even better, unfollow me. That's all Una can do. What else Una can do? Nothing. Not one blouse and skirt. No. When some of you grey back woman, want a big back, chop back woman come for me. Know this. I don't care whether you people want to sit back and allow this woman to deceive you. She deceived me. I'm in a tap chat. I am not stopping chatting. You understand? I won't stop saying Donegal has deceived me. You understand? You understand me? Planks. I want to be talking to. The cult members, I'm talking to you. All of you who came on my previous post to attack me are only me a chatbot. Oh no. All 100 on my channel want me delete in the comment. I want me a chat to. But delete nothing in the comment. To show you how I don't value you, I deleted 3/4 on the comment. So to keep on putting it on it, if I don't like I say, me delete it. Take you down. No knowings. But not on the death. On the death. Me not acknowledge Uno. I done me a chat to. Donna I'm talking to. Bear in mind, I did leave this alone. I've been left alone as on the God I love. I left this whole stop troubling the woman, stop post things about her or talk about her. But now this Kwame thing come back. What me do sit down and take it? I'm going to hear on a move. When you can see me mad till God come, I don't give one mama bumbo clot. I'm a blood clot mad. I'm a tan blood clot. I'm mad. I know I'm mad. I'm mad. Me I'm mad. Not Uno. So what? Why on make? Why on make it? Why on making it bother on so much? I wanna get deceived. I wanna get scammed. Or his blood clot means which one? I wanna me dogs. I wanna me on the move. I feel scammed. I feel deceived. Me I got chat. Me I got blood clot chat too. And we are chat to go suck your mother dirty girl. Come off my page. You coming right up now. Me not even look for you. Come off for this and go suck your mother. Blood clotty. Come off. Make another comment. If you're bad, make another comment. If you're bad, make another comment. Make another comment. Bad girl. Bad girl. Calling all the bad girl planks them. Make another comment. Make another comment from the bad boat here. You're right. You see the little girl, and me control over your son. Me control over your son, not you. So fuck you and fuck your comment. Do you understand? Your comment don't mean nothing to me. That's my black. You're a black out the nasty blood clot. Lady, come off my page. Come off my bomber clan page. I don't want nothing to do with you. If I chat to you again, Father God, if I chat to Rosemary again, if I chat to you again, I want God box of a dirty blood clot. I want God box of a dirty bomber blood clot, Rosemary. I give me a chat board. You think it is now watch a long time. Everything you are come. Move, girl. Go on over there. Go on. Go on over there, son. Don't come over here and come manage my blood clot nerves. I owe you. Do I know you? Your mother? Are you pushing to your crutches? Rosemary, did you push it to your blood clot crutch? Before I come reprimand, no reprimand your bomber clot picnic. I am not your blood clot picnic. You understand, lady? Back up and go where I come from. I don't know you. Donna God did not deceive you. She did not scam you. And me, it happened to me and many others. Me and many others. They choose to not talk. But me, I chat. Rosemary, me, I chat. It's either you want to hear it or you don't want to. Come off and leave me the bomber clot alone. And don't jam a puss clot long tongue. I owe you. I know you, man. Man, I will class you. I will done you. Oh, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, Rosemary. I don't know you. I don't want to know you. You understand? I don't want to know you. You have no argument, yes, sir. You have zero argument, yes, Rosemary. Zero. Numero zero, yes, sir. Yeah? Don't come insert yourself. And don't come... Lady, go on. You better go on. And leave me alone. My girls, like and share. Like and share. We have a show to do, right? And trust me, Donegal, I will not stop telling the world that you are a great deceiver. All that clout we have right now, your feast you're reaching, girl, you don't reach. Remember, you get 100,000 out of the 100,000 fall only 4 cap. Girl, bye. Bye, Donna, bye. You and your fools, then bye. Bye. I don't care no more. I care zero. I don't care. People, I don't care no more. That woman has deceived me. On the don't have to talk. On the don't have to talk. On the don't have to talk. I will talk. I will talk for myself. I'm not talking for Uno. I'm talking for myself. You understand? I'm talking for myself. Based on what I heard. Based on what I took my 2 ears and heard. And saw with my eyes. Me not chat for me. Me not chat for none of you. No. Go away go chat for yourself. I own it. Hey, leave me alone, you know. Great. Congratulations. Now you can exit to the left. Now you can exit to the left and don't come back, because darling, you won't be missed. You won't be missed. Respectfully, you won't be missed. So to the left now. To the left and don't come back, because you get them. Girl, just go on. Just go. Listen. I just had a shower, so my nose a little bit blocked, right? I know you when I begged you for money. Let me think when. Oh, I might have asked for money one time, right? One or two times. Okay, and what did I tell you what I did it for, right? To give to other people, right? Yo, you are not gonna use no begging money comes to try and just buy. Buy. You can't use that for me. You can't use that for me. Are you not listening? You can't use that on me, girl. I see. You're so petty. You're so petty. Petty as fuck, mind you. You see me, you knows me? I would never. Girl, come off my page. Come off my page. Come off my page. Just come off my page. Just come off. Yes. Karen, yes. One thing over and over. This time, yes. I mean, I'll back down. I am not backing down. Not this time. Any other time, I would have left it alone. But not this time, girl. Not this time. I'm very sorry. Not this time. You see, Uno, you people love to enable. And I won't enable no bad behavior out here. I just won't. I can't and I will not accept it. I will not accept it. I have been deceived by Donna Marie God. Me! After hearing what Kwame said, and bear in mind, sure, me nah black her. She's gonna stay right there. Me not black her. Bear in mind, right? I left this whole argument alone a long time ago. I left it alone. Mr. Come on, come cuss. Me not stop. I stopped it all. I stopped. And when me gonna hear what Kwame said, with my 2 ears, what God bless me, thank God I am not deaf. And when me even 2 ears, I hear and see what Kwame said. How could I leave it alone now? How could I leave it alone? What did Kwame say? Kwame said, yeah, well, you know what to be your name? He was scrolling on TikTok. And he saw Donna pulled up behind a rubbish truck and said, Mama, rah, and come out of the truck, out of the van, and get money. Your mother and your father and you're picking them at the biggest pump. Now back up and come off my page. You're not getting no noise. You don't get that block. You're only gonna get a block. No noise for you. Girl, bye. Bye, girl, bye. See? On the feel like so on our comedy, me no say on the feel like so on our comedy. I swear to God, me feel like so on the feel like say on our comedy. I swear, I know. But this time, on the not calm me down. Any other time, I would have allowed it. Any other time, yes. But this time, to the blood clot, no. I'm gonna move. Yes, y'all. I'm gonna let you hear it. You stay there. You stay right there. You will hear it, girl. You will hear. I'm gonna bring it back so you can hear it very loud and clear. Sonia, how much did you give? Sonia, back up, girl. Back up and come off my... Sonia, I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to block you. I'm blocking you. I'm not here for... You know what, Sonia? I'm not blocking because your comment is not that bad. You're going to stay there. Dwayne, did you know that when you lose your eyesight... Barbara... Did you know that Kwame's not blind, Barbara? Did you know? Barbara, did you know Kwame sees everything like me and you and everyone else? He sees everything, yo. You walk past him? Kwame! Yes, auntie. You girl, buy here, girl. I got no time for you. I got no time for the plants, them. I am not backing down. Nah, back down. I am not backing down. I would have backed down. Listen, I would have backed down any other time. Any other time I would have. You say don't do it. Leave it alone. I'm gone. But this time, no. Not after me. After I'm take my ears. I hear Kwame say, "Oh no, go on. Oh no, idiot. Oh no, fool." And this time, they're not going to go to the Rossi eyeball. I wanna deserve it. Not for you. You deserve your about to get your ass to court. Yes. And the God of my love wanna deserve it. Wanna do. But me on the other hand, because it happened to me in the past, and I hear things now that's come to light,